Hey, do you want to learn how to invest like Warren Buffett right now? In this video, we are breaking down his top 7 strategies that can transform your investment game. Stay with me, these are moves anyone can make to grow wealth like a pro. Let's dive in. Number 1 is think long term, not short term. First up, Buffett is all about long term investments. If you are looking to get rich quick, you are in the wrong game. Warren once said the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. He doesn't chase trends or worry about daily fluctuations. Instead, he invests in companies that he believes in for the long term. Key takeaway is that buy quality companies, sit tight, and let time work its magic. Think of your portfolio like a fine wine, it gets better with age. Number two is invest in what you understand. Here is a golden rule. Don't invest in something you don't understand. Buffett has famously avoided tech stocks for years because he didn't understand them. But when he did get the tech game, what did he do? He bought Apple and made billions. Takeaway: stick to industries you know. Love consumer goods? Invest in that. A healthcare expert? Stick to your strengths. The more you know, the less likely you are to panic when the market wobbles. Tip number three is focus on value, not price. Warren Buffett is a value investor. Translation: he is not just looking for a cheap stock, he is looking for a bargain. He buys great companies at a discount, not just anything that's on sale. You want a business with strong fundamentals that's temporarily undervalued, not one that's cheap because it's failing. Okay? The pro tip is research a company's balance sheet, earnings history, and future growth potential before you hit that buy button. It's not about how much the stock costs, it's about how much value you get for that price. Tip number four: cash flow is king. Buffett is obsessed with cash flow. He loves companies that generate consistent and healthy cash flow because it shows that they have solid business operations. Whether it's dividends or reinvesting profits into growth, companies with great cash flow give you security and future returns. When you are picking stocks, look at your cash flow, not just your revenue or stock price. That's the lifeblood of a strong investment. Tip number five: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This might be Buffett's most famous quote. He thrives when the market panics. Why? Because when everyone else is selling, price drop, creating opportunities to buy excellent companies for less. But when everyone's hyped and buying, he is cautious. Don't follow the crowd. When the market dips, look for those hidden gems and take advantage while others are running scared. That's where the real wealth is made. Tip number six: keep a cash reserve. You know what's better than being fully invested? Having cash ready when the market gives you opportunities. Buffett always keeps a big chunk of cash on hand to swoop in when others are selling in panic. Having liquidity allows you to make moves when you see the chance to buy undervalued stocks. Lesson here is don't be fully invested all the time. Keep some cash on the sidelines. When the next market dip happens, you have the firepower to make strategic buys. Tip number 7: consistency over perfection. Last but not least, Buffett's greatest superpower is his consistency. He doesn't make radical moves or try to time the market. Instead, he steadily invests, reinvests, and builds wealth over time. Even when the market goes through ups and downs, his approach remains rock solid. The goal isn't to be perfect, but to stay consistent with your investments. Over time, that consistency will pay off in a big way. And there you have it, 7 ways to invest like Warren Buffett. Remember, these strategies aren't get rich quick schemes. They are timeless principles that help build wealth over time, and you can use them in any financial market. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips on investing and building wealth, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let's invest smart, stay patient, and watch our wealth grow.